When you are cooking chicken breast, certainly if you're just starting out, it is very difficult to know if it's actually cooked all the way through. If you've cooked something too fast, it will be browned on the outside and still raw on the inside, and we don't want that with chicken. So the best way to do it is to fry up your chicken breast as normal. Don't go too hot, too fast, and then cut it open in the middle at the thickest part of your chicken. Just cut it open and have a look inside. If it's not cooked all the way through, if you can still see a little bit of pink and it's not all white all the way through, then it's not cooked, and just put it back in the pan. Fry it for another minute or so and test it again. Maybe test a different chicken breast if you've got one, but that is one way of checking whether your chicken is cooked all the way through. Enjoy. Don't forget, there are plenty of tips like this throughout our book. All you need to do is find the tip that you want, get your phone, give it a scan, and that will take you right to where you need to go, or simply follow us for more tips just like this. Enjoy.